And then next, you want to consider when will you fly your drones. And so I think this picture here is a great representation. I don't think you're necessarily going to be flying drones with kids quite this young, but it goes to show that kids love being outside when it's storming or snowing or whatever. They love being outside. They love playing in it. But your drone necessarily doesn't want to be flown in that kind of weather. So you want to consider when you're going to be flying your drones. So if you live in a climate where it's cold in January, you obviously want to take that into consideration with, are you going to be flying your drones outdoors? You want to consider that there's some performance limitations or performance things that happens to the performance of the drone when you're flying in colder weather. And then drone performance can also be affected if you're flying your drone in hot, humid weather as well. So you want to take that into consideration. And again, just if you're flying your drone outdoors, just double book an indoor location if you're available. And one of those issues can be the timing then and scheduling of indoor space.